Hi there and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Jive practice routine number 7. This was originally taught on the 3rd of October 22 in our online class, and I did record this short summary recap. However, we had some problems with the audio and it's taken a little while to actually have to re-record this again because there was no audio, unfortunately, on the original recording. So that's why I'm working from my notes, but let's get straight into it. We've got two basics. I was going to go on the ladies' footwork. So back, step, triple step, triple step, back, step, triple step, triple step. Underarm turn and return, back, step, triple step, triple step, back, step, triple step, triple step. One back rock and 3 stalking walks, back rock, 2, 3, straight into the flicks, into the corners, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, T-time, triple step, triple step. So I've got a little syncopation there on the timing, okay? Then Spanish arms, slight adjustment for doing this solo in the living room. Back, step, triple step, and a walk, walk, triple step. And a little bit extra turn on this one. Walk, walk, triple step. Okay, that's just so that we can face the front. Two basics. Back, step, triple step, back, step, triple step, and then an adapted sugar push for solo dancing in the living room. This is not quite exactly the same as we do when we do with our partner, but this is great for just on our own. Back, step, triple step, tap, step, go across, do it on the left, triple step and a tap, step, triple step. I use that in our Jive, in our fitness classes. Just, it's nice and easy, it's very similar to the sugar push. Okay, so full routine, here we go. And back, step, 2 basics. Underarm turn and return. Back rock and the 3 stalking walks. 4 corner flicks and the syncopation afterwards. Spanish arms. Roll it out. 2 basics, and that sugar push adapted. There we go, guys. Thank you so much for being patient with me whilst I took a couple of months to try and re-record all the videos. There was about 5 of them that didn't have the audio on them. So that was Improvers Solo Jive practice routine number 7. Originally taught on the 3rd of October 22. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video again soon. Bye bye.